Up, we got just the powder. What the heck?
Did you misfire that?
No, it fired. It just didn't have any pressure, so it didn't do anything.
What do you mean it didn't do anything?
Well, I mean, it was smoking, so... All right, now we have just the primer, too.
Igniting the powder. There's no wad or charge or anything.
Yeah, there is nothing holding it in. That's just the primer. Alright, and then this one has more powder behind it. This is like powder and wad. It's a smoky one. Okay, that was pretty funny.